The manual override should only be used during an event where the display commander or a Bluetooth device is not available. To gain access to the manual override controls, go to the body control module and carefully remove the protective cover. When not performing this operation, the protective cover should remain on at all times. On the upper left-hand corner of the body control module is a bank with 3 sets of rocker switches, each with a corresponding rotary switch located beneath. The left set activates the electric slides, the middle the electric jacks, and the right the electric awnings. For this example, we'll adjust the rear jack. Rotate the rotary switch to select the rear jack. With that selected, press the rocker switch directly above to operate the motor. This switch is momentary and will only operate the motor while being pressed in either direction. When finished, turn the rotary switch to off to ensure that no motors are accidentally engaged. Repeat this process for any other components as needed.